I don't take supplements for hair growth, but I figured out how to grow healthy, long, natural hair. And this video will enable you to achieve the same thing. We're going to start with this dirty hair. It's already very rough, as you can see. So the routine begins on how you are loosening your hair or how you are taking down your hairstyle. Any hairstyle you are taking down, make sure you are hydrating it with either water or Ayurvedic tea spray. Next is a conditioner. You can put any conditioner of your choice. Just make sure it is moisturizing enough, which means it has humectants that can soften your hair or that can bring moisture into the hair. Do you understand? And the essence of adding moisturizer to the hair is to make sure your hair doesn't break. Remember, we're building hair care routine, right? And it all begins on how you take down your old hairstyle. This hairstyle shall have been carrying for over, I think, 1 month, close to 2 months now. So we're taking it down gently so that the hair that grew out wouldn't break. Do you understand? I can guarantee you, if you take every step I'm showing in this video seriously, you wouldn't need to take any supplement, all in the name of hair growth. And as you can see, her hair grew, right? So what we are doing now is to retain length, and the process of taking down your old hairstyle is part of retaining length. So over here, I'm going to divide the hair into 4 sections. Dividing it into 4 sections will help to manage the hair properly, and it will also help us to minimize hair breakage. So after dividing the hair into 4 sections, I will still go back with that tea spray. That tea spray is also meant for hair growth. I will leave the link of how I made my tea spray in the description box down below, so please check the description box if you want to learn how to make it. It's very simple to make. Okay, after spraying your hair with the tea spray, next is the hair growth oil. Now you can use any oil of your choice, because I know some people ask me in the comment section. You can use coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, or you can make a blend of all the oil combined and use on your hair and all over your scalp. Okay, so what we are doing right now is called hot oil treatment. Repeat after me: hot oil treatment. If you do this hot oil treatment consistently whenever you are washing your hair, I guarantee you your hair will be better than before. This hot oil treatment will also make the detangling process to be much easier and seamless. Yes, as you can see, right? So when you are done, make sure to twist your hair and then move to the next section. Please use wide tooth comb. Don't use small comb when detangling your hair, especially if you have 4C hair, whether you have natural hair or relaxed hair. Okay, so we're going to cover the hair for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, then we'll now wash the hair with shampoo. Although I didn't show the process of us washing the hair, but I washed it with shampoo. Next is deep conditioning treatment. This deep conditioning treatment is also part of the process of building a healthy hair care routine that can promote healthy long hair. Okay, which means it's non-negotiable, so you need to purchase that protein treatment. Okay, there are days when we use Ayurvedic treatments and there are days we use moisturizing treatment. So I'm going to just show you all the protein treatments that we're applying today. And this protein treatment from Afroji is also a combination of moisturizing treatment. So let's say 2-in-1 hair care treatment. Okay, so this will help to strengthen your hair, it will help to moisturize your hair, it will help to give you healthy long hair so that your hair wouldn't break, and to help to repair hair strands. So you need this protein treatment. Like I said, it's part of building hair care routine. And building hair care routine is like a roadmap to how you are meant to cater for your hair. Whether you are washing it, whether you are moisturizing it, whether you are making hairstyles, hair care routine is very, very important. Please. So next thing is to cover this hair for just 5 minutes. They told us to cover it for 5 minutes according to the description on the product label. So after 5 minutes, I went on to rinse it with just lukewarm water. Okay, then when I'm done rinsing it off, next is to moisturize it using LCO method, because that's what her hair porosity says we should use. If you are high porosity, use LOC method. If you are low porosity, use LCO method. Okay, so L stands for liquid, O stands for oil, and C stands for cream. So the LCO method I'm using for her here means I'm going to be spraying tea spray on her hair, or if your hair is still damp, which is also part of hydration, then leave it that way. Then you go on with your cream, which is a moisturizing leave-in conditioner. Next is what? Hair growth butter. Next is hair growth oil. Then you detangle with wide tooth comb and proceed to putting your hair into a simple protective hairstyle, as you can see on the screen. If there is any hairstyle that have helped my hair to grow, this is that hairstyle. I can vouch that this hairstyle can enable you grow a long, healthy, long or relaxed hair. And another hairstyle that you can also try is mini braids. If not mini braids, try cornrows. Cornrows is known as all back here in Nigeria, and other people from other countries also identify it as all back. But the point I'm trying to make is that making simple protective hairstyles will enable your hair grow much better than making complicated hairstyles. Remember, what we are looking for is healthy hair growth, right? So make sure your hairstyle contributes to that healthy hair growth. Complicated hairstyles will only damage your hair, damage your scalp, especially your scalp, because that's where the hair grows from, right? If your scalp is being damaged, then how will your hair grow? You need to have healthy roots, right? So please, hairstyles matters a lot. So when you're done making your hairstyle, always make sure to massage your scalp. In fact, this one you can even do it every day. Just apply oil all over your scalp and massage it with your hairstyle still on. There's no need of you taking down the hairstyle. Now here is a bonus point. If you want to track your hair growth, please stop taking down your hairstyle every week or every two days or every three days. Stop doing that. You will not see the difference in length if you keep on taking down your hairstyle every week. Let your hair be. Just put it in that protective hairstyle and leave it alone. When I say leave it alone, do not take down the hairstyle till another wash day, and your next wash day should be in the next 1 month. And if you're the kind of person that leave it up to 2 months, no problem, but just make sure while the hairstyle is still on, you are moisturizing your roots, you are moisturizing your hair. And how do you do that? Make sure your scalp is being oiled and moisturized every 2 to 3 days. Make sure your hair strands are being moisturized too. Spray the Ayurvedic tea spray all over your hair and go in with a moisturizing leave-in conditioner and hair growth butter. Always cultivate the habit of massaging your scalp. Scalp massage also helps to thicken your hair. In case you're not aware of it, this is scientifically proven. It's not just for enabling hair growth, it will help to provide better environment that's around your scalp for thicker hair. Last but not the least, please cultivate the habit of sleeping with silk or satin pillowcase or satin hair bonnet, anyone that you're comfortable with. I have 2 of them. I even have silk scarf, but you know, silk scarf doesn't really stay long on my hair. The next day is already out of my hair. So the best option is to get a silk or satin pillowcase, so that when your hair bonnet or your silk scarf leaves your hair while you're sleeping, you are still protected. So do every single thing I stated out from the beginning to the end of this video, and I guarantee you your hair will thrive 100%. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye.